Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and picking an updater. Install Visual Studio and target Net, then choose Squirrel, click once, or a custom HTTP JSON manifest. Each has trade-offs. Once chosen, create a signed installer or build artifacts and publish them to a reachable URL. Make sure your app exposes a unique product ID and current version number. You will use that directly in the updater logic. Begin coding the update check routine in Program, CS, or your startup form. Now implement the core update flow inside your app. You add an update manager call or an HTTP client request that fetches a JSON manifest, then compare the remote version to application. Product version. If newer, download the package. Once downloaded, verify integrity with a checksum or signature. If valid, run the installer or apply Delta patches while locking files as needed. Make sure to run UI prompts on the GUI thread and show progress. If restart is required, schedule a graceful restart and preserve unsaved state. Finish by wiring up installation and cleanup steps. Invoke Elevated Installer when needed or use per-user updates to avoid UAC prompts. Once installation completes, delete temporary files and update local version state. Then prompt the user to restart or auto-restart if safe. If things go wrong, log full HTTP responses and check some mismatches, then show a clear retry and manual download option. Remember, most failures stem from wrong URLs, permission issues, or manifest versioning. Check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.